Hi students, welcome back to part 2. Now that you have finished editing the square opening, now we're going to change an embossed feature. Embossing is creating a raised or lowered surface. Often this is used on plastic items to put logos on, put the names of products, and also important safety information. What we're going to do is we're going to edit the embossed name titled Parkville Nights to your name. You're also going to make one other change that might include fonts, bold, italics, or underlining. Let's go ahead and try this out. Going back to the Inventor sample part, now what we're going to do is need to rotate and find the embossed feature. It's on the left-hand side of the object. You'll find it here as I pull into a head-on view. Now, if I go over to the browser and I go down to where it says embossed, it very clearly identifies it and it says Parkville Nights. Now, I don't want to change the embossing. What I want to do is change the sketch. So I'm going to go ahead again and select the little caret, find the hidden sketch, and double click on that. Once I have, I'm going to use my mouse to zoom in on the text. I'm going to right click and go to edit text. At this point, I'm able to type in anything I'd like. So what I'd like you to do is erase Parkville Nights and type in your name. So for this example, I'm going to type in my name. Now from here, I can go ahead and change it to italics. I have underlining as an option. I can change the font. And I can also change the size. Right now it's at 0.125. I can make it larger. Now, if you make it too large, it won't fit on the shape. So I'm going to go ahead and revert mine back. I'm going to select OK. You'll see that the text has changed. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit Finish Sketch. As soon as I do that, the actual text will change from Parkville Nights to your name. So that's all that there is for part number 2. Go ahead and close the video and try it for yourself.